Welcome back, Green Thumbs. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening, and I've got something special for you. If you're keen on supercharging your garden's productivity and filling your plate with fresh, homegrown goodness, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring the top 12 crops you'd be crazy not to start in April. So let's roll up our sleeves and get growing. First on our agenda is a beloved classic in many a garden, the tomato. Now, if you've ever tasted a sun-ripened tomato straight from the vine, you'll know there's nothing quite like it. April, being the delightful month that it is, provides the ideal conditions for this juicy gem to start its journey. With the right amount of sunlight and the warm embrace of the soil, your tomato plants will flourish, setting the stage for a bountiful harvest in the months to come. Next on our list is the versatile and nutritious spinach. There's something truly satisfying about planting spinach in April. As the sun warms the soil, these little seeds begin their journey, promising a harvest of tender, nutrient-packed leaves. Whether it's for a fresh, crisp salad or a revitalizing green smoothie, spinach offers versatility in the kitchen and a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals in every bite. But the leafy goodness doesn't stop at spinach. April also opens the garden gate for a variety of other greens. Picture this: a bed of crispy lettuce, a patch of peppery arugula, a bundle of hearty kale, each one bringing a unique flavor and texture to your plate. And the best part? These greens love the cool spring weather, and with a little love and attention, they will reward you with a continuous harvest. So, don't shy away from filling your garden with these leafy greens. With proper care, you'll be harvesting fresh greens for months on end. Moving on to herbs, April is prime time for planting basil, cilantro and parsley. These delightful little powerhouses not only add a punch of flavor to your dishes, but also serve as a magnet for beneficial insects. With their fragrant leaves and flowers, herbs not only elevate your culinary creations, but also contribute to a healthier, more balanced garden ecosystem. Now imagine stepping out into your garden and plucking a handful of fresh strawberries. The sweetness, the fragrance, the vibrant red color, it's a sensory experience you don't want to miss. April is the perfect time to start your strawberry plants. Whether you're tucking them into the ground or nestling them in containers, strawberries are incredibly versatile and rewarding to grow. So why not give herbs and strawberries a go this April? With their taste and beauty, they're sure to delight your taste buds and add a pop of color to your garden. Now, let's talk about a garden staple: carrots. These vibrant, crunchy delights are a breeze to grow, especially when sown in April. Providing a rich source of beta-carotene and other health-boosting nutrients, carrots are a versatile addition to any garden. With a bit of patience and regular watering, the seeds you plant in April will transform into sweet and tender carrots, perfect for snacking, juicing, or incorporating into hearty stews. Switching gears a bit, we come to the humble potato. Often overlooked in the garden, potatoes offer a rewarding and substantial yield. April is the ideal time to plant potatoes, whether you're growing them in the ground or in containers. As the days lengthen and the soil warms, your potato plants will begin their steady journey towards harvest. With a little TLC, you'll soon be enjoying creamy mashed potatoes, crispy fries, and more. Up next, we have the vibrant and nutritious beetroot. This earthy delight is a perfect addition to your April planting list. Sowing beet seeds in April ensures a steady supply throughout the season. Whether you enjoy them roasted, pickled, or in a hearty borscht, beets offer a sweet yet earthy flavor that can't be beat. Plus, they're packed with essential nutrients that boost your health and vitality. And now, let's shift gears to something a bit more exotic. Okra. If you're looking to add a dash of adventure to your garden, okra is the way to go. Planting okra seeds in April sets you up for a bountiful summer harvest. These unique pods may be known for their slimy texture, but don't let that deter you. Okra is a culinary delight in stir-fries, soups, and stews, offering a unique flavor and texture that some folks just can't get enough of. With their unique flavor and slimy texture, which some people love, okra is a fun addition to any garden. Moving on to cucumbers, April is the perfect time to get these crunchy veggies started. They're not just a salad staple, cucumbers are also a fantastic addition to your garden. With their high water content and refreshing crunch, they're perfect for those hot summer days. Plus, they grow quite quickly, so you'll be enjoying your cucumber harvest in no time. And if you're into pickling, well, cucumbers are a must-have in your garden. Now that we've covered all 12 crops, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. April is a fantastic time to kickstart your garden. It's the perfect blend of warming temperatures and plentiful rainfall, creating an ideal environment for seeds to sprout and plants to grow. Starting with tomatoes, we've explored a variety of crops that not only promise a bounty of fresh produce, but also bring a myriad of flavors and textures to your table. From the vibrant reds of tomatoes and strawberries to the leafy greens of spinach and lettuce, your garden will be a riot of colors and flavors. We've also discussed the nutritional powerhouses like spinach and beetroot, which pack a punch when it comes to vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget about the aromatic herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, which will take your culinary creations to the next level. In essence, starting these crops in April sets the stage for a successful gardening season. With a little planning and preparation, you'll be on your way to a garden that's both productive and pleasing to the eye. So, there you have it, the top 12 crops. You'd be crazy not to start in April. It's time to roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and let the magic of nature do the rest. Happy gardening, everyone.